Someone you trusted hurt you. They broke their promises. Now, you are left picking up the pieces. Betrayal cuts deep. It leaves you reeling, lost in a sea of emotions. Anger, confusion, and sadness wash over you. This pain is real. Your feelings are valid. You are worthy of love and trust. Even deep wounds can heal. You might feel alone right now, like you are adrift in a sea of pain. But you are not alone. Many have walked this path before you. They too felt the sting of betrayal. Know this: you have the strength to heal. Healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Let yourself feel it. Healing is a journey, not a destination. There will be good days and bad days. Days when you feel strong and days when you feel overwhelmed. This is normal. This journey is about reclaiming your power. It's about rediscovering your worth. It's about learning to trust again, yourself and others. This is your journey. You set the pace. Take your time. Be gentle with yourself. Betrayal has a way of unleashing a storm within us. It's like a hurricane ripping through the core of our being. The pain can be all-consuming. You might feel like you're on a roller coaster of emotions. Don't try to fight the storm. Instead, allow yourself to feel the full force of your emotions. Let the tears flow. Scream into your pillow. Your feelings are real and they deserve to be acknowledged. Embrace the storm within. On the other side of this tempest lies healing and peace. The pain of betrayal is not a sign of weakness. It's a testament to the depth of your capacity to love and trust. Never let anyone diminish the validity of your pain. You have every right to feel hurt, angry, and betrayed. Your pain is yours alone to feel. Don't let anyone tell you how you should or shouldn't be feeling. Honor your own unique healing process. Don't judge yourself for the intensity or duration of your pain. Healing is not a linear journey. Be patient with yourself. Betrayal is a loss, and like any loss, it needs to be grieved. You have lost the trust you had in someone. You have lost the future you thought you would have. Allowing yourself to grieve is not a sign of weakness. It's an act of courage. Grieving is a messy, painful process, but it is a necessary one. It allows you to release the pain and eventually move forward. Take as much time as you need. As you navigate the choppy waters of betrayal, it's vital to create a safe space for yourself to feel your emotions fully. This sanctuary could be a physical space or an internal space. Wherever you find solace, allow yourself to be vulnerable. Let down your guard. Take off the mask you wear for the world and just be. Cry if you need to. Scream if you have to. Your feelings are safe here. Hold on to that truth, even when it feels hard to believe. Betrayal can leave you questioning your own worth. But remember this: betrayal is a reflection of the betrayer, not of you. Their actions stem from their own insecurities, their own fears, their own shortcomings. You are not responsible for someone else's choices. You cannot control their actions, only how you respond to them. Their betrayal speaks volumes about their character. Remember that their darkness does not define your light. While it's natural to feel anger and resentment towards the person who betrayed you, holding on to those emotions will only keep you tethered to the pain. Instead of focusing on blaming them, Shift your energy towards understanding the root cause of their actions. This doesn't mean condoning their behavior or making excuses for them. Understanding the why doesn't excuse their actions, but it can help you release some of the anger and resentment you may be holding. It allows you to see the situation with a clearer perspective. Sometimes betrayal is not a single act, but a pattern of behavior. The person who betrayed you may have a history of dishonesty, manipulation, or broken promises. Their betrayal may have been a painful wake-up call. It's a sign that you need to reevaluate this relationship and set healthy boundaries. Recognizing these patterns can empower you to make choices that align with your values and needs. It allows you to break free from the cycle of betrayal. As difficult as it may seem now, betrayal can be a catalyst for profound personal growth. It can force you to confront uncomfortable truths about yourself and the people you surround yourself with. Betrayal can be a painful teacher, but its lessons can be invaluable. It can show you your own strength, your resilience, your capacity for forgiveness and compassion. It can inspire you to create a life that is more aligned with your authentic self. Betrayal can make you feel powerless, as if someone has ripped away a part of you. They haven't. Your power resides within you, always. It cannot be taken unless you surrender it. This is your moment to reclaim it. Remember who you are. Recall your strength, your resilience, your capacity for love. This betrayal doesn't define you. Your spirit, your essence remains untouched. Trust, once broken, can feel impossible to rebuild. But it can be done, and it starts with you. Start by trusting your instincts. You felt something was wrong. Those instincts were trying to protect you. Learn to listen to them. Next, trust your judgment. Forgive yourself for any missteps. Learn from them and move forward. You have the strength to heal, to grow, to love again. You are stronger than you think. You have weathered the storm of betrayal, and you are still standing. This experience, though painful, has revealed your resilience. Acknowledge your strength. You endured. You survived. Give yourself credit for every step you've taken towards healing. You are defined by your courage in the face of adversity. Forgiveness is not about condoning the betrayal. It's about releasing its hold on you. It's about acknowledging the pain and choosing to move forward without the burden of anger and resentment. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. It's the key that unlocks the chains of the past. It's about reclaiming your power and choosing peace over pain. This is your life, your journey. Choose to fill it with love, joy, and authentic connections. You are worthy of a future filled with possibilities. Holding on to anger and resentment is like clinging to a hot coal, hoping to throw it at the person who hurt you. But the truth is, you're the one getting burned. Resentment festers within, poisoning your heart and hindering your ability to heal. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the betrayal or minimizing the pain it caused. It simply means choosing to release the grip that the betrayal has on you. It's about recognizing that holding on to anger and resentment only hurts you in the long run. Releasing those chains of resentment doesn't happen overnight. It's about choosing peace over anger, love over hate, and freedom over captivity. Forgiveness is not a sign of weakness. It's an act of radical self-love. It's about recognizing that you deserve to be free from the weight of the past. When you forgive, you're not excusing the betrayer's actions. You're choosing to release the power they hold over your heart and mind. You're choosing to break free from the cycle of pain and resentment. Forgiving someone who has hurt you deeply is not easy. It takes time, courage, and a willingness to confront your own pain. But the rewards are immeasurable. Forgiveness opens your heart to love, compassion, and understanding. Letting go of the past doesn't mean forgetting it. It means choosing to no longer be defined by it. It's about acknowledging the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the wisdom acquired through the experience of betrayal. It's about embracing the present moment and looking towards the future with an open heart and a renewed sense of purpose. Letting go is about releasing the need to control the situation. It's about accepting that what's done is done and choosing to focus on what you can control. It's about taking back your power and choosing to create a future filled with joy, love, and authentic connections. The freedom that comes from letting go is exhilarating. While forgiveness is primarily about releasing yourself from the grip of resentment, it can also pave the way for compassion and understanding. This doesn't mean condoning the betrayal or excusing the betrayer's actions. It simply means trying to see the situation from a more empathetic perspective. Perhaps the person who betrayed you was acting from a place of deep-seated pain, insecurity, or fear. Understanding the why behind their actions doesn't justify their behavior, but it can help you cultivate compassion for their own struggles. Embracing compassion doesn't mean allowing yourself to be mistreated or accepting disrespect. It simply means choosing to see the humanity in the other person, even as you acknowledge the pain they caused. The past is behind you. It's time to look ahead, to envision a future bathed in healing and hope. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to become. Imagine a blank canvas, full of possibility. This is your future, ready to be painted with your dreams. Let your heart guide your brushstrokes. The future is yours to create. Trust, once broken, can feel impossible to rebuild. But like a delicate flower pushing through concrete, trust can bloom again, stronger and more resilient. Start by extending that trust to yourself. Believe in your ability to make wise choices and set healthy boundaries. Trust can be rebuilt brick by brick with patience and understanding. Look for people who embody honesty, integrity, and empathy. Allow trust to blossom organically over time. There are good, kind, trustworthy people in the world. Open your heart to new relationships, honoring lessons from the past. Every moment is a new beginning, a chance to choose a different path. You have the power to choose how you respond to pain. You can let it define you or rise above it. Focus on what you can control: your thoughts, feelings, actions. Surround yourself with love and positivity. Invest in your well-being, physically, emotionally, spiritually. The power to create a joyful future lies within you. Healing from betrayal is not a straight line. It's a journey with hills and valleys. Some days will feel brighter than others. Other days, it might feel raw, as if freshly torn open. Allow yourself to feel the pain, to heal at your own pace. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Trust your instincts. Listen to your heart. You are moving closer to healing. You have been through a storm, battered by winds of betrayal and waves of heartache, and yet you are still standing, stronger, wiser, more resilient than you ever thought possible. Embrace your strength. Celebrate your resilience. You have stared adversity in the face and emerged from the fire, forged in the flames of pain. You have learned the depths of your own strength, the boundless capacity of your heart to heal and love again. This experience, though difficult, has been a catalyst for growth, a crucible that has tested your spirit and revealed your true mettle. Never forget the lessons learned, the wisdom gained. You are a survivor, a warrior, a testament to the indomitable spirit that resides within us all. Carry this knowledge with you as you move forward, a beacon of hope guiding you towards a brighter tomorrow. The future stretches before you, a canvas of infinite possibility. The past, with its pain and heartache, is fading into the distance, no longer holding you captive. You are free to write a new story, one filled with love, laughter, and authentic connections. Embrace this new chapter with open arms. Dream big. Set audacious goals. Believe in the power of your own potential. The world is waiting to witness the incredible tapestry of your life unfold, woven with threads of resilience, compassion, and unwavering self-love. Remember, you are worthy of love. You are worthy of happiness. You are worthy of a future filled with joy, purpose, and deep, meaningful connections. Embrace the journey ahead. Embrace the beauty of becoming. The best is yet to come.